Today is the installation of the Plex Audio Universal Kit. Step 1, remove your seat, remove your battery box, disconnect the battery. Get your ground and power wires connected to your battery. Get yourself a 3/16 Allen and get ready to take off your dash. Tank bolt, you're gonna run the wires. Next step, loosen your riser bolts. So these two tabs will slip underneath the head of the bolt, and you want to make sure the lock washer is underneath the tab. Positive and ground. It comes with this clip. This is a security clip to hold these two plugs together. After you do the install, make sure you connect to MBT-RX.